Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to download geomorphology, lineaments or land use land cover change from this Bhuvan data. So to download this, what we need to do, we need to click here in Google Chrome Bhuvan. When we'll type Bhuvan in Google Chrome, that time welcome to Bhuvan ISRO portal will start. When we'll click here, that time thematic services option is there. Okay, there are Bhuvan 2D, 3D, all the option is there, but thematic services I will click. After that, click on the thematic services. This kind of page will open. You can able to see India map here. After that, here is the option that is geomorphology. First we'll download geomorphology. So I will select a geomorphology. Then here we need to select an state. Suppose I want to download it for Maharashtra. Then I will click on the Maharashtra. Then I will click on the view option is there. So after that, suppose you want to download for a particular district. Then you can select a particular district. Or else if you want to download for the whole Maharashtra, you can select a whole Maharashtra. After that, I'll click on the, here's the metadata. You will get all the information about this layer. So what is the latitude, longitude, and this is the state of Maharashtra, 1:50,000 scale. So all this information you will get. After that, here's the option that web services. So I'll click on the web services. In the web services, suppose you want to download it for the QGIS, ArcGIS and other uses. So here is the link. So I will select this link here. I will not select this inverted comma. I will select this link. After selection this link, I will go to QGIS. So after going to QGIS, here is the option that is a layer. Then add layer. Then add WMS layer. Okay, add WMS layer. I will click WMS or WMTS layer. So after that, here is the option. It will select WMS and we need to add here new. Okay, I'll click on the new. Here I will type geomorphology. I'll type. After that, URL link I will paste here. Okay. After pressing this URL link, we'll click on OK. So now you can able to see it's added here. And now I need to connect this with Bhuvan. So I'll click here to connect. After selection this connect, so all the layers will appear here. Okay. So I will move this here. So now what we need to select, we need to see this geomorphology MHGM50K 0506. This we need to search. Okay, so MHGM50K. So again we'll go to Google and here we need to see MH. So A, B, C, like this series is there. So we'll go below, we'll go for MH. Okay, MH for Maharashtra. After that MH, what we need to select GM. Okay, MH GM will select. So here I will select MH GM, then 0506. If you'll see here MH GM 50K 0506. Okay, so we'll go to QGIS, we'll select this and I'll click on add. So after selection this, I'll click on the add and I will click on close. So now you can able to see all the geomorphology is added here. So now you can able to see here is the legend and this is geomorphological map. Like we can download for the other maps. Now you want to download LULC, the same process we need to follow. So whatever the LULC you want to download, you click here. After that we need to select a state. So select any state. After that you click on the view, so it will appear. After that you can see metadata, and here is the web service. You select this and you can add there. The same process we need to follow. So like this we can download this geomorphological map in a raster format. After that you can add, and we can clip a particular area whatever you want from this district, or else if you want to digitize it, we can digitize it. So it's very easy to download any map from this Bhuvan portal. So thank you.